Good morning, friends. Now, I would like to give some details about the Bank Nifty's move. As I had been explaining you regarding the speed and distance covered by the Bank Nifty on Friday. Now, today, the live session, I am I'll give some things what to be watched and what is the speed and what is the distance it covered Bank Nifty live. So I would like to share you a small details. So it will give some sort of information for you to get along with things, how the move will be throughout the day. I mean, remaining 4 hours. I think now the time is 11:30. So another 4 hours time is there, and what distance it will reach, and what can be done. So according to that, we will be getting some targets, and which will be very helpful for taking positions in options, either call or put, whichever way we want to take. Now I would like to share the chart and some other details so that it will give some clarity. Okay. Now, Bank Nifty futures last traded price is 23,920, and today's highest 24,217. Okay, from that it came down almost 400 points to 23,830. So already in 1.5 hours, the Bank Nifty moved a distance of around 400 points, and now it is trading nearby yesterday's closing level. So that means from the high, it came down by 300 points and created a low of 830, 23,830. So that means there is some sort of sell-off. Whereas same way, all private sector banks are down today with a very good volume. Now Bank Nifty is already down from the high around 260-70 points. That means the travel for the whole, for the past 2 hours, Bank Nifty traveled distance is around 400 points. So 23,830 is the low, 24,217. That means around 383 points. So roughly 400 points. So what will be the move in the coming time frame? Another 400 points, 4 hours. So in this way, in my view, Bank Nifty will correct at least up to 23,678. So another 300 points down I expect. So once it breaks the low of 23,830, it may comfortably come back to 23,678. That is my target. So if suppose that is the target, now 24,000 call or 23,800 call, which is trading around 479, or 23,800 put, which is trading around 315. So another 300 points correction, this will comfortably go up to 478. So buying a put option at this point of time is very much better for the profit. Like that. So for this stop loss, we can have today's low 200 as a stop loss for this particular put. So those who want to take with stop loss, they can put a stop loss at 300 rupees. Target is 478 or 500 levels. So that's the way we have to plan. So as such, the distance covered is almost 400 points, and the mileage things are 2 hours it had taken. That means 200 kilometers per hour. It won't be the same for the past total 6 hours. So there will be some consolidation. So I expect another 200 to 300 points correction. Only Bank Nifty is bullish above 24,085. So, or 24,100. So until then, lot of chances of correcting up to 23,678. So in this chart also, Bank Nifty went a gap up, reached a target of 24,217. It corrected down a little bit, bounce, and again it is some small swing is going up, and again I expect a correction, and this low maybe 23,600 or this high is 23,686, whatever it is. My target is 23,678. So we can try to utilize the move of Bank Nifty. Any bounce is a selling opportunity. And we can go for a 23,000 put. That will give a very good, decent returns with a small stop loss. Okay. For today, this is the way we have to calculate. So for the past 2 hours, the distance covered is around 400 points. Okay. And the time taken is 2 hours. So in 1 hour, it covered a distance of 200. But whereas now the running rate is just 60 points from yesterday's close. That means only 660 points move in 2 hours. In spite of reaching a 213 high, it came down. So that means there is no big buying is happening. So some sort of sell-off is going to take place in the coming time frame, maybe within an hour or two or something. So before closing, some more correction is going to happen in Bank Nifty. This is what my expectations. And with these details, we can add some more ingredients without chart or indicators, whatever it is. You will get some better targets. Thank you.